Hi, I'm Lexi Kricko. This is my portfolio that I have created. So here's a little description about the course W200 in which I created the portfolio for. So if you scroll down, you will see some links that take you to different sections in the portfolio. To the right of each link is a little description on what information is included on the links. So if you go to the About Me, it talks a little bit about myself. So I'm a freshman at Indiana University, majoring in elementary education. I hope to teach in a first and second grade classroom. So I also think that technology is a major asset to use inside the classroom. With the use of technology, you can engage students with engaging and educational websites. It's also an easy way to connect parents and teachers and students all together. Here are some educational links in my resume. If you click on the gallery, it has some of the artifacts I have created so far. So the first one is a newsletter that I created with the website S'more. This website is an effective way to keep parents and guardians up to date with what the students are doing inside the classroom. This is something that I am definitely going to use inside my future classroom, so it's really easy to use and it gets all the information in one spot. So scrolling down, my second artifact is Assemblu. Assemblu is a website that links different websites and sources all in one place. This is really useful for younger students because it makes it more organized and they have access to everything in one spot. It's also a good way for teachers to monitor what websites the students are going on. The third artifact is the ChatterPix. This is a really engaging app to use for students. When you want to present a lesson that is not as exciting, students can also create ChatterPix to talk about the information that they have learned from the lesson plan, which can be fun for them. The fourth artifact is a problem-based learning lesson plan that I created. So inside the lesson plan, I included different artifacts, which I think is really engaging for the students. It's an effective way for them to learn about soil and how it affects the environment. If you go to the professional development, you will see all the badges that I have earned so far. My favorite badge was S'more because, like I said, the letter creates a really good way for parents to be in contact with the teacher. Ed Puzzle is also one that I really liked. So during the video, teachers can incorporate questions to ask the students, which can make sure the students are paying attention to the video and getting all the information from it. So overall, I think using technology in classrooms is a really important aspect. I think it can help further enhance students' learning, but I think it should also be used in moderation and have students also be able to use hands-on in books as well.